Fluid bed booster coating is a technology for precise application of coating material in a solution or suspension form onto a fluidized substrate, which is followed by the evaporation of the solvent. It is also called as the bottom spray process, in which the fluidized substrate and the coating material move in the same direction concurrently through a booster column. At Pharmatech, we use booster coating to coat cellulose granules and spheres to develop tablet and capsule formulations. We have three main booster coating equipment: a Fluidair R&D scale, a Vector VFC Lab Mini, and a Vector VFC Lab 3 flow coater, which are used to support the GMP and development activities of our clients. We use booster coating to enhance the stability of the drug product, to modify the release of the drug product, and also to develop functional coating for taste masking and moisture protection.